equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover. There are typically 4 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage the clips that hold it in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery connector using your tweezers. It's important to handle this part gently to avoid any damage. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure that the battery is seated properly to avoid any issues later on. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Once everything is clean, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back into their original positions. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always opt for our pickup and delivery service if you prefer not to do this yourself. Finally, power on your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any problems you might face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech tips and guides. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.